Hi, I'm John a Banana Baby, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Cybex Capsule baby capsule. So let's get started. Okay, in a vehicle the capsule should be placed in this position. So this tether strap should be anchored to the tether strap at the back, so it should be looking like this. Now to remove it from the vehicle, we just have to separate the tether strap, put this strap back in the pouch at the back. Oops, sorry. We need to put this back in as well. This is a part of the safety feature. Back in. Put that back in here, in this pouch. The handlebars will go up. There is two silver buttons here, at the first one and the second one. So the outer one, we just flick the outer one. And the canopy can go down. Okay. To release it from the capsule from the base, there is a green button. So we need to push the green button and the silver button at the same time. So push, well, not at the same time. Push the green button in, and then press the silver button down. And then, if this was locked down, it would be a bit easier, but I might need to just nudge it a bit. So it will go like this, come at an angle. As I said, you don't have to whack it. I'm whacking it because the base is not locked down in a car, and it slides out. So, let's take this and put it onto a pram and have a look at the features. Let's move this out of the way. This is the Cybex Mios, but it could be any stroller that can take the Cybex capsule. So first thing we do, we put the adapters on. So the adapter goes on. The Cybex capsule fits very nicely and very easily to any stroller. It just fits on like that. The handlebar will come down to just make the pram look a little bit nicer. The canopy can go up, just like that, and you can have it back down. Now, to make the capsule lie flat, which is what most customers like about this capsule, the trigger is here. So you either have a good grip or use two hands. So just have a nice good grip and just slide. So let me do that again. Just grip it and slide. It's very easy when you know it. Just have a go and have a practice before you take baby out. Otherwise you think you might have jammed the system, but it isn't. It just takes practice, because what it's doing, it's not a recline, it's kind of like a sliding position. Grab this, like that. You don't have to do it very hard, it's just about technique. So like that. Okay, to take it out, before we take it out of the pram, the other feature of this one is the adjustment. So you put the baby in like that, that loosens the harness, unbuckle. You only hear a click when you put the second click in, so you hear the click, and then you can tighten. There is a newborn insert just in here. Remove it when baby looks a bit squashy. Who knows, it could be a month, it could be 3 months, depends on the size of your child. But most important thing is the shoulder strap. So wherever the slit goes in should be the height of your baby's shoulder, or should be just above it. So if your baby's shoulder is starting to get tall, start moving it up. And to move the headrest up, or the harness up at the same time, behind the headrest, just about here, just trigger the lever, it goes up and down, and that's about it. It's very easy. Okay, to take it off the pram, there are two buttons. Remember what we said before? Outer grey button and inner. The inner one is the release mechanism from the pram. So let's just take the handlebar up first. Right, that and that, and that's it. It comes off, and put it back into your car.